What's up, yo Faith family? Well, my family gets well. Light Bright is tuning in to y'all. I had a special request from Janaya Rice. I guess today her birthday. She wanted some burps. And I'm also doing it for the other viewers as well. So I'm finna get started with the burps. Finna get started with the burp. Ooh, somebody's getting bubbly. Get real bubbly. Get real bubbly up in here. Y'all, I don't drink pop, but I'll do some burps. For Janaya. Not Janaya. I'm sorry. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably saying it wrong, but yeah. I'm doing the burps for her. Then I'm also doing burps for the viewers as well. Whew. That's a big one. Whew. Let's get this burping show on the road. I got my lemon lamb pop. I'm finna pop. Pop. Them burps. Whew. That was a big one. Hey, that was a big one. Yeah, I play all day. I don't know when not to play and when to play. Cause I just play all day. That's just me. You feel me? But let me stop doing too much talking. Let me just give y'all these burps. Oh, I think it's one sitting on top of my stomach though. I don't like this. Y'all know it's that one burp that I always, have, and it be stuck at the top of my stomach. And then it be big, come out big. I said I'm sipping on this lemon lime, 'cause you ain't gotta lie. It's my pop, y'all. I love you. You give me the burps all day long. I wanna roll with you, baby. Woo. I wanna roll with you, baby. Damn, it's that burp that's stuck. It's stuck on the top of my stomach. I don't like that. It's coming though. I feel it. It's coming up. God damn. Ooh, it's a little chicken nugget smell to it too. Ooh, honey child. Let me continue on burping though. Get all these burps. Baby, I love you so much. 'Cause I wanna roll with you, babe. Oh, let me stop. Let me keep drinking. Let me keep drinking. Keep drinking. Keep drinking. Keep drink. Keep drinking. Let me burp. Let me burp. Y'all here for the burps, I know. Said y'all here for the burps, I know. I said y'all here for the burps, I know. Ooh. Let me keep drinking. Let me keep drinking. Let me keep drinking. Hey. Let me keep drinking. Let me keep drinking. Hey. I'm finna burp. I'm finna burp. I'm finna burp. Finna burp. I'm finna burp. Let me stop playing. Let me keep drinking for real, though. Let me keep drinking. Ooh. I said I'm finna keep burping. I said I'm finna keep burping. I said I'm finna keep burping. Hey. Let me stop. I keep saying that, but keep doing it. Woo! Baby, you giving me life. Ugh. That's some ugly burps that's kicking in. Ooh. Ooh, stop. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Damn. That was nothing but a little poop. I thought it was gonna be a big fart. It was a little poop though. The chicken nuggets need to hurry up and digest just a little bit so I can give y'all a fart. I'll give y'all a fart too, just to average it out with the burps. You feel me? I feel like I got a boo-boo though. Ooh, that was a little yard. God damn. That burp just came out like I was gonna throw up. Whew. It went on my nose. God damn. Whew. My burp is going on. I said my burp thon is going on. I said my burp. I said my burp. I said my burp thon is going on. Burp thon is going on. I said my burp thon is going on. Hey. 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 Let me stop playing. Keep burping. I'm still on action. Woo. Hey, honey child. Y'all hear your faith right in the background. She want to call people while I'm making a video. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. I said I know that cutoff limit is 14 minutes, but I'm still give y'all some burps. Hey. I said I love you, Big K lemon lime soda. Tastes good even outside. It's that big burp. It's at the top of my stomach. Y'all know what that be. When it's at the top of my stomach, it's finna be a big old daddy-ish burp. It's finna be a big old daddy-ish burp. Burp, burp. Y'all tuning in for my burps. Hey. Hey. I think it's coming. Nah. Ooh. God fucking damn. Woo. Woo. That was a relief. I feel better. Hey. 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 Okay. So let me continue on burping for y'all though. I only got a couple more minutes, so I'm gonna keep giving y'all these burps. I ain't got a fart, but I'm still burping. I thought it was gonna be a little poop that came out. Well, it was just a little poop, but y'all couldn't really hear it like that. But still, you feel me? I'm just giving y'all these burps. I'm just giving what y'all ask. So everybody know I do it better than, you know, your face. Like, I'm the queen of burps. Like, can't nobody top me, you know? So yeah. Hold on, I think I got a fart, y'all. Hold on, wait a minute. That's a little poop. That's a little poop. But y'all, my time is up. I reached that 14-minute limit. So, you guys tune in to the channel still. You know what to do. Give us some thumbs up. Keep subscribing. And keep hitting that notification button so every time we pop on, you know when we popping on. But I love y'all. And I will be seeing y'all later. That's if I get on later. But not just at 10, I'm going to get on later so y'all can see me. Alright, peace. And love y'all. Mwah. Bye.